with Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1967 Dodge Coronet RT. This is a true RT, guys. I love this car, man. I've put about 12 miles on this car. This is an outstanding car. It's what I'd call a baby doll. Bought it from a gentleman out of Pennsylvania. Bought a GTX from him years ago. He's always got really, really nice stuff, and this car's killer. I love the color combination, and it is factory. I've never seen it before. In this, it's dark blue with a dark blue interior. I've seen blue interiors, I've seen the dark blues, but then they'll have black interiors. I love it. Great car. Complete ground up restoration done in 2019. I think he said it's had 5 owners. It's a AACA junior and senior award winner. Restored back to factory specs. The original broadcast sheet and build tags are here for the car. And like I say, it is just a sweetheart. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car. It is gorgeous top to bottom. Again, love the color. Gorgeous paint. It is a true RT. It's not a clone. Look at how beautiful that interior is. Just gorgeous. I love the roof line on these cars. Power rear antenna, it works. Look how nice the tail panel is. Bumpers are gorgeous. Said it's got all the original panels on it. Look how straight it is down the sides. And those are the new Firestone. Those are radial red lines that look like bias plies. They charge a pretty penny for those. So you get the look and the ride. Magnum 500 wheels. I mean, I just love this car. It's beautiful, beautifully done, very well maintained. Look how nice this car is in here. It's all date code correct. Of course, in 67, they didn't have VINs on them, but you can match the build dates and the dates on the engine, and they all line up, so it's about as correct as you can get in 67. Excuse me. Mopar radiator with a shroud. Power steering, power brakes. Like I say, just bone stock underneath here. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Again, factory color combination. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. It's not, well, the front half is actually body color because that's the way they were, and then it's black on the back half. That's just a little dust you're seeing in there, guys. Unfortunately, the dust out here gets on us quick. Look how nice the A-pillar chrome is. I mean, like I say, this thing's a sweetheart. Chrome remote mirror. Door handles look great. New door rubbers. Seams are nice and clean. Look how nice that car is. New carpet, new sill plates. The little backer, we'd have to tighten that up. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Buckets, center console, all that stuff's new. Steering wheel is great. 60 or 58,000, that's supposed to be original. Just look like all the original gauges. Factory tach, they work. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath for the oil pressure and temp. It's got, that's actually a Retrosounds radio. It looks like a factory radio, but it's actually Retrosounds. It lights up behind the original type radio. Dual exhaust. It's got 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear axle. I think that's the stuff for your Retrosounds radio. Broadcast sheet. Again, this is can't remember. This is stuff from the FCA on the car. These are the build tags, and then here's a breakdown on the build tags as well. Jacks here. Beautiful, beautiful car, man. Oh, you know, on the other side of that thing, if you flip the broadcast sheet over, there's a like a I think it's a remanufactured window sticker for the car. Again, very nice underneath. Turn the key, take it right to the car show. All new legendary seat covers. Like I say, everything on this car seems to work too. Console's in great shape. Fires right up. Good car. Kick down. Everything opens and closes real nice. I mean, it's just a great car. Great car. Beautiful color. Fuel gauge works up there. Alternator gauge works up there. Everything else is down below. You can see the tach works. Good oil pressure. Temp gauge works. Everything opens and closes real nice. That power antenna works that back there. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. What a great car, man. Gorgeous car. And rare, these cars are pretty limited production. I can't remember exactly how many were built. They didn't build a ton of these.